So, good day, Sirius. This is my week 2 formative assessment video. It's my week 2 formative assessment video oral presentation rather. So in this video, I'm going to explain two things. The difference between a raster and a vector navigational chart, and how information layers, user chart layers, and event graphics work together to build what we see on an ICTIS display. So let's start. Slide 2, RNC or Raster Navigational Chart. Let's start with the Raster Navigational Chart or RNC. So an RNC is essentially a digital photograph of a paper chart. It's made of pixels, not data. So there's no underlying database behind what you're looking at because it's just an image. Zooming in doesn't reveal more detail. It just makes the pixels bigger and blurrier. Everything on it, like symbols, soundings, text, is baked permanently into that image. You can't select a symbol, you can't query it, and you can't turn any of it off. And critically, because the system has no actual data to read, an RNC can't generate automatic safety alarms like grounding warnings, so it's a picture, not something like the computer can reason about. Slide 3 VNC, so or known as Vector Navigational Chart. Now compare that to the Vector Navigational Chart or VNC. So a VNC is built from individual intelligent objects like things like depth points, buoys, and coastlines, and each one carries real attributes as data. Because it's object-based, it's scale-independent. You can zoom in as far as you like and it withdraws cleanly with no pixelation. You can also click on any object, like a buoy, a depth contour, and see its actual attributes. This is also why VNCs can power automatic safety functions like grounding and anti-collision alarms. The system actually understands what it's displaying, not just showing a picture of it. Slide 4, RNC versus VNC comparison. So side by side. An RNC is a scanned image, a VNC is an object database. An RNC pixelates when you zoom in. A VNC stays crisp. An RNC can't be edited or queried. Every object in the VNC can be. An RNC can't isolate individual layers. A VNC lets you turn features on and off. And only the VNC can drive automatic safety alarms because only the VNC contains data the system can actually check. Slide 5, the three layer types. Beyond just chart type, what you see on the ICTIS screen is actually built from several layers stacked on top of each other. First, information layers. So this is the chart data itself, depths, coastlines, buoys, hazards. It's built into the system's chart database and can be switched on or off by category, like hiding land features when you don't need them. Second, user chart layers. So these are things the navigator adds personally: routes, waypoints, clearing lines, or personal notes. They sit on top of the official chart data and are fully editable by the user. Third, the event graphic. So this is a temporary single-use marker dropped at one moment in time, like a man overboard fix or an incident position. Unlike the other layers, it isn't saved as a permanent part of the chart. So slide 6, closing. So to summarize, RNCs are static pictures, VNCs are live databases, and that difference is what allows VNCs to support automatic alarms. And what you see on screen is really a stack of layers: the permanent information layers, the editable user chart layers, and temporary event graphics on top. That's the difference between raster and vector charts and how chart layers come together on an ICTIS display. Thanks for watching.